Hi friends, how are you? The video that I'm making tonight is just to share with you what I did make last week as my hair conditioner. What did I make? I made banana hair conditioner. So I don't have all the items with me, but that is very easy for us to know because the ingredients that I used, they were very common ingredients that we have in our kitchen. So I don't have them with me, but I'm going to tell you exactly what I did. So with the banana, for the banana hair conditioner, what I did use, I used one banana, 3 spoons of mayo, 2 spoons of olive oil, and half a cup of milk. Okay, so now what I did, I put everything in the blender and I blended everything for 2 minutes. Okay, if by any chance you would like to make your own banana hair conditioner, it's like making your own smoothie to drink, but instead of drinking it, you apply it on your hair. Okay, so now if by any chance your blender is broken and you really want to make your own smoothie for whatever other fruits that you would choose to, but like banana and avocado, those are the most common ingredients that people use for hair condition. Okay, and so if you don't, your blender is not working, what you can do, you can just mash everything, mash your banana, mash like all the other ingredients, mix everything together. The only downside, when you mash, you don't have as much in, conditioner as you put if you blended it, because first of all, when you mash everything, it's thicker, so you don't have, it's not as like, it's not too liquid for you, too soft, that's the word that I'm looking for. So but if by any means that's the only avenue that you have and you want to do it, you can do it. But I would encourage, if you really have to do it, blender, if you have a blender or if you have a mixer, that make life much more easier. So, and I have to explain to you, when you use it in the blender, it doesn't leave any seed for you to stack on your hair. I suppose when you use it, when you mash everything together, banana seeds are very teeny, so for those of you with long and full hair, they always have the tendency to get stuck on your hair. But if you blend everything together, you don't have to worry about that. So that's the only downside. So let me show you what it looks like um, after you do it. So that's it, that's my smoothie or my banana hair conditioner right here. So the battle was all the way here. When I went to the hairdresser on Saturday, she was able to use from here to right here. It's because my hair is thick. If I didn't have that much hair, she probably would not need to use that much. And let me, you see what it looks like. See, it's very nice and soft, and if you make a big batch, you should be able to use it for like a month or two, whatever, and depends how often you wash your hair. I go to the salon, if I have the mean, I would love to do my hair every single week because I don't do my hair by myself, but it's quite costly. And once you make it, make sure after you finish to use it, do not leave it outside, because with all those things that you use, if it's really hot, now it's not hot, but the weather goes up and down, and to be safe, it's easier to keep it in your fridge. So what you would do, mostly if you have small kids, you would don't want them to try to eat it, so make sure you put it in a plastic bag and tie it and put it somewhere in your fridge, so every time you're ready to use it, so at least you're going to have some cold some cold hair treatment. And once you apply it on your hair, that's a condition. You go under the dryer, let it, let your hair absorb that for like 15 to 30 minutes. My hairdresser always keep me for 30 minutes, but it depends if you do your hair by yourself for how long, but the longer the better. Normally it's 30 minutes. Okay, so if you would like to do it by yourself, and it will, you will save money too, because when I go to the hair salon to have my hair done, when they have to apply a little treatment for me, which 99.9 no one knows what kind of treatment they put on their hair, because the person who's watching your hair, when you ask for treatment, they always tell you they're going to put treatment, and they happen to just walk in the closet and just grab a handful and just put it on your hair. Your hair can smell nice, you can just know that it's working, but you really don't know what it is. Sometimes it's things that they make by themselves, or sometimes because they know what they're doing. When they put something, no matter if it's not good, they make sure that it works for you. So if you can save $10, that's your $10. Last time when I did go, which a lot of time I do go, I always carry my own. This is $10 that I save right there, because to put a little one handful of a little treatment on your hair and put you on the dryer, that's $10. So now when you go, you just bring your own treatment, and you don't have to worry about paying $10. And at the same time too, you know exactly what you're going to put on your hair. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think, and follow me after this video. The other video is going to teach you how you can make your own leave-in treatment. So this one is conditioner, banana hair conditioner. The other one is going to be leave-in treatment. So follow me for the second video. Please let me know what you think, and be encouraged to make your own hair treatment by yourself. You take good care, okay? Ciao. Let me know. Bye bye.